Having made our time-lapse video, we thought a brief explanation of how we did it and how we produce our wildflower turf would be helpful. A number of years of experimentation, we have discovered a way of producing a mat of wildflowers and wild grasses that the customer can roll out to create a wildflower meadow. We had a waste area outside our farm office of chalk with some soil, and we decided to record the meadow as it developed using a time-lapse camera. Once we set the camera up, we laid a thin layer of soil and unrolled the turf. It's important to note that the turf is not the most exciting looking of things when it arrives, but once on the soil, the roots quickly grow in. You can see that the plants start to develop. We have 30 varieties of wildflowers and 4 varieties of grasses within the mix to give a great range and diversity of meadow. Of the 30 varieties of flowers in the mix, we will regularly see those such as oxeye daisy, ragged robin, yellow rattle, as well as a host of others. The transformation from chalk bare land to a wildflower meadow has been dramatic and really above all our expectations. You only have to listen to the news today to hear about the decline of habitats for bees and butterflies and how many wildflower meadows we've lost since the war. We have trial areas dotted around the farm, and these have been going for a number of years, up to 6, and this is still a mat of flowers that has not been taken over by grasses or weeds. To achieve this, we simply mow these areas in the autumn and remove the cuttings. Feedback we get from contractors that we deal with would indicate that as soon as they see an area that is to be seeded with wildflowers, they are immediately worried because it is the one area that is always disappointing because it takes so long to establish the meadow from seed. The more we deal with them, the more delighted they are becoming to find this alternative way. The turf is not only used for landscaping, and we've now developed 2 types of turf for green roofs to give a biodiverse alternative to seed and matting, which is the current popular green roof material. Our wildflower turf uses native species that are suitable for bees and butterflies, so putting this on a roof makes more ecological sense than the relatively small variety of plants that you find in seed and matting. Please visit the website on www.wildflowerturf.co.uk or call us on 01256 771 222.